Hello, and today we are looking at the PPC Ryan Air Boeing 737 MAX 8-200. And this model comes packaged in this nice little box here. It has a nice big display window on the front, so you can have it on display in the box if you so chose. It has big Ryan Air at the top with the logo, Ryan Air on the bottom as well. And on the back, you can see an image of the plane found inside with a big Ryan Air logo and name on the back as well. And as you can see, this model is for ages 3+, as you can see with the warning here, and on the front at the top as well. But now let's have a closer look at the actual model itself, which is right here. It comes attached to this nice little piece of card, just held down by these little two twisty bits that you just turn to take it off. As you can see here, it's a nice, simple little detailed die-cast metal model. So as you can see on the wings, you see the flaps, the ailerons. You can see the wingtips on this one. Now, normally on this kind of plane, you'd have split tip winglets. On this one, we have a more standard winglet instead. You can see the front of the plane. You can see the classic Boeing cockpit. You can see from the pointed windows like that. Just a dead giveaway that this is a Boeing plane. And a nice little attention to detail. They managed to match it up to that. It's the classic Ryan Air livery, looking nice across it. On the stabilizers at the back, on the vertical and horizontal, you can see the rudders and elevators on them quite nicely. You can see we've got some nice simple jet engines as well, with the Ryan Air livery on them. As you can see on the wingtips as well, you can see they say Ryan Air, which they also say it on the inside of them. And this level of detail is across the same model, which you can see on the other side. And on the bottom we have some very simple landing gear, just some very simple little metal wheels, but they do roll, as you can see. Very nice little rolling wheels for this plane. Let's go back to looking at it. As you can see, we've got a nice Ryan Air livery with the white at the top, with the blue and yellow along the bottom, with Ryan Air's logo on the vertical stabilizer as well on both sides. See, we've got a nice Irish flag, as of course Ryan Air is an Irish airline, as well as its registration of EIHGT. And that's how we know that this is a 737 MAX 8-200, as EIHGT is the registration of a Boeing 737 MAX 8-200. And you can see the nice windows placed exactly where they should be. But overall, it's a really nice little model of the 737 MAX 8. Now let's go into a little bit about the plane itself, the Boeing 737. It is a narrow-body twin-jet airliner, and it is the fourth and currently the newest generation of the Boeing 737. The MAX series began production all the way back in 2014 and first flew in 2016, entering full service the following year in 2017. And it remains in production to this day. However, the original Boeing 737 began production all the way back in 1966 and entered full service in 1968, so it has been flying for over 50 years, making it one of the most iconic airliners of all time. And for quite a while, until very recently, it was the best-selling airliner of all time, before eventually being dethroned by the Airbus A320. Now, this one in particular, like I've said, is a MAX 8-200, which is a high-density variation of the MAX 8. High density in the fact that it can carry a lot of passengers. And it was named that specifically being able to seat up to 200 passengers in a single high-density class inside the plane. And it was specifically designed for Ryan Air, but it's now flown by multiple airlines, but it was first originally designed at the request of Ryan Air for a high-density plane. And the MAX 8 itself was the first variant of the standard MAX 7 of the Boeing 737. The MAX 7 was the first version, the MAX 8 was the second, and it had a longer fuselage. Now going back to the plane itself again, the registration of EIHGT. This plane was delivered to Ryan Air back in 2021 and remains in service to this day. So there's a chance you have flown on this plane yourself, or you've seen it flying around, as it has been active for about 5 years at this point. So it's made a lot of journeys. Nice little model of one of the most iconic airliners of all time, the 737. Of course, being one of the most important airliners as well. Now, if we go back to the model itself, and we have a look at the actual size of this model. If we look at its length, it has a length of about 12.7 centimeters or 5 inches, a wingspan of about 11.3 centimeters or 4.4 inches, and a height of about 3.8 centimeters or 1.5 inches. So overall, it's a nice little size model with tons of detail on it, making it a real nice representation of the Boeing 737 with a really nice Ryanair livery across it. Great little gift for anyone who is a fan of, say, Ryanair, the Boeing 737, or has possibly been on this plane or even worked on it. So overall, it's a really nice little simple gift, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.